Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok business account option not showing. If the TikTok business account option is missing, there are several common causes and fixes. So first, check your account type. So TikTok only allows switching to a business account from a personal account. So open TikTok and go to profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three-line menu at the top right, then tap settings and privacy, then scroll down and select account and look for switch to business account in here. If you don't see it, select business verification and verify your business. Now, if you already see switch to personal account, you're already using a business account. Next is to update the TikTok app. So go to Play Store or App Store and search for TikTok in here. So install any available updates. So an updated version can hide account options. So tap on update if you see an update button in here, and once done, open it and see if it works. You can also close the TikTok app completely, just like so, and open it again. Next is to clear TikTok cache. So corrupted cache data can cause menu items to disappear. So go to profile and click the three-line menu, go to settings and privacy, scroll down to free up space, open it, and tap on clear cache. Tap on clear again to confirm the action. Once done, go back and try again and see if that works. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.